All right, let's get started. The first step is to remove the grit from the clams. You'll need a mixing bowl. First, fill the mixing bowl with water and add the required amount of salt. Put the clams in to soak to remove any grit. Drain the water from the clams, then wash them in fresh water by rubbing their shells together. It's now time to chop the ingredients. You'll need a cutting board and a kitchen knife. Cut the asparagus spears in half crosswise. If the asparagus is particularly thick, cut it in half lengthwise. Next, peel the onion. Finely chop the peeled onion. Peel the garlic. Thinly slice the peeled garlic. Remove the shells from the boiled eggs, then cut them into quarters lengthwise. It's now time to season the cod and coat it in flour. You'll need a dish. Put the cod in the dish and sprinkle with some salt and pepper. Coat the cod with flour and gently shake off any excess. That's it for preparations. The next step is to sauté the ingredients. You'll need a frying pan with a lid and a dish. Heat the olive oil in the frying pan over low heat. Add the thinly sliced garlic and sauté it until fragrant. Put the cod skin side down into the frying pan. When the cod turns white, turn it over and sauté the other side for about the same length of time. When both sides have been cooked but not yet browned, remove the cod from the pan and transfer it to the dish. Add the olive oil to the pan and sauté the onion over moderate heat. If there's still a lot of oil in the pan, you may not need to add the full amount. Add the chicken stock and stir. Simmer for about 1 minute. Return the cooked cod to the frying pan and add the green peas. Add the clams, cover the pan with the lid, and cook. When the clams have opened, remove the lid, add the asparagus, and cook over moderate heat. Season to taste with some salt and pepper. Turn off the heat and remove from the stove. Place the cod, clams, and asparagus on serving dishes along with a boiled egg. Add the finely chopped Italian parsley to the remaining sauce and bring it to a boil. Pour the sauce over the fish. It's ready to eat. Well done!